are massive simultaneous protests in the capital right now at India Gate, at Raisina Hill and outside Safdarjung Hospital. Angry protesters demanding justice for the 23-year-old rape victim battling for her life. Well, you're seeing pictures from those three protests in the capital. Of course, protests all across the nation today. We have also seen a huge protest outside Rashtrapati Bhavan, where protesters surrounded M.K. Narayanan's car. There you can see it on your screens. And one of the protesters slipped through the security to enter Rashtrapati Bhavan.
And now we have Swati, who has breached inside the president's house. Swati, what made you run after the car? जो जिसके लिए हम लड़ रहे हैं उस कार के लिए, वो जो आदमी लोग हैं वो हमसे लड़ने के अंदर नहीं जा रहे विदाउट परमिशन। हमारे साथ इतनी बड़ी चीज हुई है, हमें परमिशन किस चीज की चाहिए? हमें इनसे लड़ना है। स्वाति,
And Dipti is reporting on the story and is now joining us live. Dipti, we can clearly see anger spilling on the streets as the protesters have finally managed to reach Rashtrapati Bhavan. Tell us what's going on and what kind of security measures are being taken to curtail these protests.
Well, Harishi, right now we are right outside the Safdarjung Hospital, where we saw an angry bunch of protesters right in the middle of this very ring road that you see right now. They had blocked this for a good 20 minutes. Extra police was called in here, and now those protesters have been picked up and they've been asked to move from here. But you know, even behind me, if you can see, we see a lot of people still here, and this is the usual condition here every day. A lot of police presence is also on the ground here today, and the very reason is the fact that a lot of people are coming here to find out about the condition of this 23-year-old who's battling between life and death inside the ICU of this hospital right now. And people want to know, people want answers this time. They say we will not settle down with any lip service or with any false promises. And this is the reason why they say that if they do not see any concrete action this time around, they will not let anything function. They want answers from the Chief Minister, they want answers from the Delhi police, and these are common people, you know, on the streets right now. They say that we do not want the politicians to do anything, but if they do not do anything this time, if they do not take any concrete action, it's going to be very difficult.